Holy Canary, ladies and gentlemen. Quite frankly, if you bought this one, you'd be hitting a hole in one. You'd be driving right into happiness. Make sure you swing past to the open home. Luke. What?
Canary is not a golfing term.
Huh?
It's a bird street.
Oh,
Cock. Perfect.
ladies and gentlemen, don't flap about. I had nothing written for the bird. What do you say to 1,000 square metre, nearly 5-bedroom house, multi-level, pool? Don't chicken out. Cut this bit. Just do an intro with some AI or something.